Good morning, students. Today we will do ALGA level class. ठीक? Okay. Now this is your reader book part 1. Reader book part 1 ALGA level 12, and this is your workbook part 1. Okay. Now we will start reader book. Okay. This is your first chapter, the great world leaders, unit 1, level 1. Okay, these are learning outcomes: phonics, whole words, reading and listening comprehension, grammar, writing and speaking expression, journal awareness. Okay, now SR1, this is SR1. Okay, a double L vowel sound: basketball, recall, all, call, mall, hall. After that, Walter, almost, halt, falter, quality, false. Okay, you will learn these words properly. Okay, after that, page SR2. Preposition. Preposition are short words that connect different parts of a sentence. They tell us the relationship between people, places, and things. So preposition uses example sentences. Okay, first of all we will do on. After that, at, in, towards, near, during, for, with, without, against. Right? Okay. On. Used to show day, date. Used to show position of a person or object. For example, I will meet you dash Sunday, mean to say on Sunday. Ravi was sitting on the sofa. Ravi was sitting dash the sofa. Ravi was sitting on the sofa. These are your preposition, and you will do these preposition properly. After that, SR3. The liberator. You will read this lesson properly and keep the story in your mind. Right? This is your lesson. Page number 8 and page number 9. These are your vocabulary words: liberator, slavery, property, civil rights, illegal, proclamation, visionary. ओके, वर्ड साथ में है दिए हुए इसके मीनिंग्स एंड साथ में एग्जाम्पल्स दिए हुए हैं. लिबरेटर का मीनिंग है द अ पर्सन हु सेट्स अनदर पर्सन फ्री. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, we will change the liberator word into sentence: Abraham Lincoln is called the liberator. Right? Okay. After that, finding the difficult meanings, steps and example. Suppose opposed का meaning क्या होता है? Against. Lincoln opposed slavery. Okay. And you will do this SR5. Okay, on your book. After that, SR7. You will read these words properly. Okay, walk, sidewalk, stall, moonwalk, call. Okay, and repeat these sounds properly. Now, Lincoln loved to learn. SR8. You will read this lesson properly. Again, vocab words: log, soaked, borrowed, choir, liar, lawyer, creative. Okay, main idea and details. Main idea, details, topic. Clue, example. Read the title and headings. Lincoln loved to learn is the title of this passage. Suppose करो आपको एक कोई भी पैसेज दिया गया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले आपने उस पैसेज का टाइटल लिखना है, फिर उससे रिलेटेड सारी डिटेल लिखनी है। क्लियर? ओके। ये पेज बच्चे है आपका SR 10 पर। नाउ वी विल डू ऑन वर्क ऑन वर्कबुक। ओके। हाँ जी, preposition worksheet 1. You will do these preposition properly. Okay. For example, Neetu came to my house dash Wednesday. Neetu came to my house on Wednesday. And complete this cursive writing on your book. Complete worksheet 1. Right? After that, whole words worksheet 2. Then preposition. Underline the preposition. Vijay came late dash today. Here is on preposition, right? The movie starts dash 1 p.m. at, right? After that you will complete this cursive writing on worksheet 3 and short vowels sound. Okay. Then worksheet 4, preposition using with or without. Then question number 2, write one sentence on your own using with and without. ओके आप इस यहाँ पर एक सेंटेंस विद के साथ भी बनाओगे, एक विदाउट के साथ फ्रेम करोगे। क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस हर पर्स वॉज डैश मी, हर पर्स वॉज विद मी, रवि कैन नॉट ड्रिंक मिल्क विदाउट शुगर। यहाँ पे आप 2 सेंटेंसेज राइट करोगे। देन कर्सिव राइटिंग ऑन वर्कशीट 4. Then worksheet 5 and you will do this question on worksheet 5. Please read this question properly and answer the following questions. Clear बच्चे? After that worksheet 6 you will do these question answers on your worksheet 6. Then again cursive writing. Again worksheet 7, prepositions. You will do these prepositions on worksheet 7. Right? Question number 2 also fill in the blanks with the suitable preposition. Then again cursive writing. Worksheet 8 do cursive writing. And worksheet 7 you will do this question from your lesson. Worksheet 9 you will do these question answers. Okay. And worksheet 9 पर भी आप preposition complete करोगे in, during, on, at, towards, of. Clear? Worksheet 10 preposition you will do this. Okay. Again cursive writing worksheet 10. Okay. And worksheet 12 पे आप शॉर्ट वॉवल साउंड्स करोगे। आफ्टर दैट इब्राहिम लिंकन के क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट करोगे। क्लियर बेटे? एंड यू विल कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन। व्हेन एंड वेयर वाज इब्राहिम लिंकन बॉर्न? सेकंड क्वेश्चन, where did Abraham Lincoln start working when he was 22 years old? Third, what do you think in the meaning of the word elected? Fourth, what did the southern states decide? Okay. And you will do this question by yourself. Okay. Worksheet 13. So students, this is page number 18 from your workbook and last page from your reader book, पेज नंबर 15. यहाँ तक हमने अपना फर्स्ट चैप्टर का सारा वर्क कंप्लीट कर लिया है. प्लीज़ कंप्लीट दिस पेजेस लेसन properly. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.